this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Drive app in Slack Workspace. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Slack Workspace and then head down here to Add Apps. Now, if you click on it, you'll have an option here under Tools, Apps option. Make sure this is selected and then you'll see your apps here. Now, from this, you can see I have my Google Drive here. Alternatively, if you can't see it, you can just search it by typing the name of the app you want to search here. So once you find it, now you can go ahead and tap on it to open, or you can directly click on install and the installation process will begin. From here, go ahead and click on add to Slack and then allow permission by clicking on allow, then sign in with your email, and then finally click on save integration. Now, if you go to Slack, you'll find we have one activity. And now if you click on activity, you can see we have Google Drive already installed in your Slack. That's how you can install Google Drive in your Slack workspace. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.